Hello friends, in this video tutorial I want to show you how to make Humpty Dumpty out of balloons. I will teach you how to make the arms and legs of a figure move. So, if you're ready, let's get started. I put inside an 18-inch bobo balloon, an 18-inch white latex balloon. Please note that there should be no air between the balloons. This trick is one of Bobo's balloon alignment techniques. When inflating, the inner white balloon presses against the walls of the Bobo balloon and the Bobo balloon inflates in the shape of the inner white ball. It is very convenient. For convenience, I turn out the tail of the Bobo balloon and slightly pull out the tail of the white latex balloon. Now I'm inflating a white balloon. Please note that you do not need to inflate a balloon larger than its factory size. Look, the balloon has inflated perfectly smoothly and the seam is exactly in the middle. Now I'm tying a white balloon into a knot. So now I'm going to need satin ribbon and acrylic paints. I tie a satin ribbon exactly in the middle of the balloon. The lower part of the balloon I will paint over with brown acrylic paint. These will be Humpty Dumpty's pants. I wear the paint with a sponge. It's very convenient. I add shades of burgundy with acrylic paint so that it won't be boring. We leave the paint to dry and make handles and legs for the figure. Take a blue modeling balloon, size to 160, inflate a small bubble with about 3 or 4 fingers and make a tulip twist, then cut off the bottom of the balloon and fix the tulip twist with a knot. Then make a second knot about 2 fingers below the first one. Now inflate the balloon from the back to 2 full pumps. Tie the knot. Inflate a 7-inch blue balloon with 4 full pumps. Tie a knot, tie a leg to this knot, and make an apple twist. Look, both elements are easily set in motion by any breath of air. Now, in a similar way, I will make a hand for the figure. I'm inflating a white modeling balloon, size to 160, with 2.5 pumps. Next, I make 3 pinch twists the size of 2 fingers, a loop the size of 4 fingers, and 1 more loop the size of 2 fingers. I cut it off and tie it. This is the hand of the figure. I inflate a brown balloon for modeling, size to 160 by 4 fingers, make a tulip twist, cut off the end of the balloon, make a knot. I make the next knot 2 fingers from the first one. I inflate the balloon from the back side to 2 pumps. I make a knot and tie it to arm. So, we have the moving arms and legs ready. Now we will make the remaining accessories, and we can assemble the figure. From a blue modeling balloon, size to 160, I make 2 pinch twists the size of 2 fingers and 2 loops, the size of 3 fingers. This will be a bow. Then I make 2 more loops around these small loops. The bow is ready. I'm making a hat for Humpty Dumpty. I inflate a 10-inch blue balloon with 4 full pumps and make an apple twist. Now I inflate a blue sculpting balloon, size to 160, and make 2 pinch twists the size of 2 fingers. The paint is dry. I'm putting away the satin ribbon. I glue dots along the edge of the paint. On these glue dots, I glue a blue satin ribbon. This will be the belt from Humpty Dumpty's pants. Now I glue and tie all the other accessories to this base. Look, I showed it in great detail in the video. So, the figure is ready. It is very mobile. Thank you for watching us.